Students, today we have covered with 3 points, out of which our first point was opposite rays. What have we studied in opposite rays? You can see there are 2 figures. Both the figures are labeled with angles ABC. But there is a slight difference between figure 1 and figure 2. In the first figure, you can see that there is an angle formed which is an obtuse angle. And in a second figure, you can see that it is a straight line. The 2 rays which have a common origin and form a straight line are said to be opposite rays. So can you tell now which one is an opposite rays? Figure 1 or figure 2? Of course, figure 2 is the opposite ray example because the second figure prepares a straight line with an origin B, which is not present in the figure 1. Although it has an origin B, still it does not prepare a straight line. It prepares an obtuse angle. Our next point is angles in a linear pair. This property or this point, angles in a linear pair, is very much similar to the supplementary angles. We have studied in supplementary angles when the 2 angles after adding make 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary angles. Here also it happens same. When there are 2 angles, after adding it becomes 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary angles, also angles in a linear pair. It shows in the figure angle RQP and angle RQS, after adding them both will make 180 degree. Now why will they make 180 degree? Because they are making a straight line PQS. Therefore, they will make 180 degree. Also, you can see one more thing in this figure, that Q makes an origin of line PS. That is, QS is one ray and QP is another ray which are opposite to each other. They are opposite rays. Angles which have a common arm and whose other arm form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Third point, vertically opposite angles. What I taught on a notebook is as same as what is given in the textbook. Only the difference is I have given different labels ABC, PQR, so on, and in the textbook PQT, RQS is mentioned. Rest all is same. Ray QP and ray QT are opposite to each other. That is, they are opposite rays. And ray QR and ray QS are opposite rays. Therefore, they prepare opposite angles. Angle PQR is opposite to angle SQT and angle RQT is opposite to angle PQS. Therefore, they are called as vertically opposite angles. Here we stop with today's part. We shall continue the same lesson in the next period. Thank you.